So guys, we're going to take a bath to the river. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe to this channel. For those who are new here, don't forget to press that red button. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Yeah, let me be brief in my talking. So it's your girl, Miss Ivan. So guys, don't kuoga. Sasa ningekuwa flash. So guys, the water is pretty cold. But tunajua tu lazima tutengeneze content kila siku. Lazima tuwabambe. Vile sasa pia tunazibamba huko nje.
Guys, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Karibuni niseme tap nikadhani ni TikTok. Guys, subscribe. Share to a friend, tell a friend, a friend tell a friend.
Yeah, exactly.
Hii link ifike di majuu guys. Ifike di majuu. But sponsor jitokeze.
So guys, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bathing at the river bath.
Kwanza hizo likes guys zikuje through.
Bana.
Account
iko kama hizo likes come through by the way.
Yeah, tuna post tuko within 1 hour. The video iko imetrend.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Tap. Know your likes. Like so you know that to keep fit.
Yeah, tap the like button. Tap the like button.
Yeah. So that. Let me rinse myself, guys.
Yeah, don't fear the water. The water so cool.
Itabidi tuanze kubeba heater na generator hapa. Kubeba heater, guys. Nakumbuka high school nikicheza kati na maji kwa bafu.
Guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah, do you like the video? Yeah. If you like the video, go to the comment section, tell us that you like, so we can bring you more videos like these ones. Yeah.
Wazungu wamezoea kumaliza kwa ganji ona jipanguza na tawe. Lakini sisi Afrika tunajanika kwa jua kama Hindi.
Yeah. It's the African way, doing the African way. It's the African way, doing the African way.
Tunajanika kwa jua kama Hindi.
Bana.
Umeakoza kwa mtu ni gani? Watuhanga kama kitabu ya math. Guys. Press that button.
Guys, hit that button.
So
you can see, as you can see, we have a beauty here. She's called Miss Ivan.
Nako single.
She's saying that she's single. For those who don't understand the language she's speaking there.
Oh,
she's
yeah.
single. She's single. Yeah.
If interested, you DM TikTok as Miss Ivan. I'm the only one, guys.
Yeah, and if you got cash, I'm gonna die with some sort of.
Hapana. Nataka sasa nitoa kuoga kwa mto.
Yeah.
Nataka kuoga kwa bathtub. Wewe kizungu ilikuja na with a ship. English term with a ship and the sun in the ocean.
Are you sure?
Basi ni kama moda akifundisha siku ya 20.
So guys, she's, as you can see, she's a beauty.
I'm a beauty.
She's a beauty, you can see. She's a beauty.
A content creator.
A content creator also.
A TikToker.
A TikToker. She's the best dancer by the way, right now in Utawala. In Utawala, I don't think there is a dancer who is much more.
Ni a TikToker, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, she's Miss Ivan.
Guys,
kindly subscribe.
Kuna panga na model, panga na matako.
Ai, ebu piga nini? 360. Piga 360. Piga 360 waone. Piga 360. What do they think?
Neza kwa advertiser.
Yeah.
Ni advertise viatu kama hivi. Hapana.
Clocks.
Okay, neza kwa advertiser by that if you have anything you want to advertise.
To advertise.
Tunaweza kwa brand ambassadors wako.
Yeah.
Is it a trend? Actually, like in a second class, I'm the upcoming one.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, subscribe.
Like you heard.
Tumemaliza kuoga.
Yeah.
It's a time niende nijanike kama hivi.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.